We're going to make one called a Banana Rum Martini. Greetings and salutations, you lovely Jones, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. So on my journey of finding interesting cocktail books, I came across one from Williams and Sonoma. They're known for home decor and that sort of thing, and I guess they would have bar stuff in their kitchen supplies. It's a very formal looking book, the way it's all laid out. It actually looks kind of like a Bible. It even has a little bookmarker thing like you have in a Bible. It's from the 90s, so you don't see a lot of the drinks in it nowadays, but that's what's fun, diving into these books. We're going to make one called a Banana Rum Martini. It has no gin, it has no vermouth. It's up to you put it in a martini glass. So, there's that weird argument of is it a martini or not, but I think everything in the 90s just got called a martini. We didn't know what to do with it. Let's make it anyway. Let's see what it tastes like. And as always, I'm not a bartender. Do not take any of those as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. All right, this is a very, very simple drink. It's only got 2 ingredients. First one is just 2 ounces of dark rum, half an ounce of banana liqueur, and just stir it till it's chilled. It said put it in a chilled martini glass. I actually chilled them. I'm so bad about that. And now, my friends, is Banana Rum Martini. See what this bad boy tastes like. You think martini, you think gin. It's nothing like that. It feels more like a shot you would do at a tiki bar. It's not bad. It's really smooth. The banana's not too intrusive. I wouldn't do it with like light rum. Probably could do it with even more of an aged rum. Probably be even yummier. Yeah, give it a shot. I mean, it tastes nothing like I was expecting. That rum and banana goes real well together, and it's kind of like having a fancy tiki drink, but not really. Probably a good fancy after sailing drink. Yeah, that's what you need after sailing. Well, in the meantime, y'all know what you do. Cheers.